When should I start applying anti-aging products? With age, our skin loses its elasticity and tone. Our cells renew themselves slower, and the production of collagen decreases. At 30, our skin becomes more prone to dryness, and after that, we might start to see a few brown spots starting to form. So, how can we maintain a youthful and luminous complexion? Experts recommend the usage of targeted products as early as the age of 25. However, you don't need multiple products in order to see results. Start off with creams and serums. Luxury cocoa cream and serum make for a great combination. With a soft, gentle formula rich in sweet cocoa butter, using them together will allow you to keep nourishing your skin while also preventing and controlling premature signs of aging, such as wrinkles, dark spots, fine lines, and more. And that's it. Feel free to ask us more questions in the comments below.